Hello guys, heartily welcome to That Coding Bro. Now let's discuss today's question. Now today's question is write a C program to check whether the given year is leap year or not. Leap year or not. What is meant by leap year? In every 4 years, a cycle of 4 years, every 4 years or like a span of 4 years. If for example in 2004 year we will get in February we has 29 days, and in February 2008 we have again 29 days. That is, for every 4 years we will get 1 day extra. That year is known as leap year, and we will get this extra day on February 29th. It is common, but the years is cycle of 4 years. For example, 2004, 2008, for every 4 years, 2012, 2016, like that. For every 4 years of span, we will get a leap year. And for telling whether the given year is leap year or not, we have some conditions. I will discuss the conditions now. For this program, they will give a year as input. For example, 2004 year, we need to tell leap year. For example, if they give 2005, we need to tell not a leap year. How we should tell and what is the logic, I will discuss now. Okay. Now see, first of all, understand this. Which years are known as leap years and which years are not known as leap years. Okay. Now, according to the scientists, 4 multiples like 2004, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, all the years are leap years, but except 100 multiples like 2000, 3000 or 2100, 2200, 2300. All these are leap years, but all the 100 multiples are not leap years, but not 2000, because 2000, 2400, 2800, all these are leap years because they are 400 multiples. 400 multiples. Okay. Now I will write this again once in English statements. By that you people can understand easily what the thing they are telling. Once revise or once you bring every 400 multiple is leap year. Ly means leap year, but every 100 multiple is not leap year, but every 4 multiple is leap year. If you go beyond all these cases, the answer is not a leap year. Okay. See, once again observe this is a blind condition. Means this condition is doesn't depend on anything. If a year is multiple of 400, then it is not a leap year. Sorry, then it is a leap year blindly. For example, the cases are 400, 800, like that. Now, listen carefully. There is a wonderful relation between these two things. To understand these two things, I am using one keyword, not. If I place not, what it should be? Leap year, right? Every not 100 multiple, not 100 multiple is a leap year, but it should be, see, means and. Every not 100 multiple is leap year and every 4 multiple is leap year. Means whatever the thing they are trying to tell is 100 is not a leap year because it is a multiple of 100. Meanwhile, 16 is a leap year. Why? It is divisible by 4. Clear? Now, coming to this, to understand the logic, we need to tell the given year must divisible by 4. Whether it is divisible by 4 or not, we need to check using mod operator. It should be divisible by 4 and the year should be not divisible by 100. Okay, this is one condition. Or year mod 400 equal to 0. It is a blind condition, as I told. If any of the condition is true, then it is a leap year, else not a leap year. That's it. The given year must be divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100, or the year must be divisible by 400. Now I will give clear explanation with one example. Think 1600. First of all, it is divisible by 400, right? Now it will give leap year. For example, think 1700. This condition is false. Now coming to this, year mod 4 equal to 0 means 1700 divisible by 4. True. But year not divisible by 100. It is false. It is divisible by 1700 is divisible by 100, right? But is telling not divisible. False. So it is not a leap year. Okay. Now coming to algorithm. See, first of all, we need to read the input year from the user. Okay. After that, if the year is divisible by 100, go to step 6. It is a blind step, right? Go to step 6. It will print the year is leap year. If in case, if the year is not divisible by 400, then coming to step 4, if the year is not divisible by 100, then go to step 5. What is step 5 doing? If the year is divisible by 4, go to step 6, means print leap year. Otherwise, go to step 7. This one also, go to step 7. See, either condition 3 is true, directly it is coming to here, or 4 and 5 is true, it is coming to here. Else, going to step 7. After that, end the program. Okay. Algorithm is a little bit tough. Now going to program. Now coming to program, this one is same and last line is same for all the programs. First 2 lines and last 2 lines. Hash include sto.h header file and into main. Now see, first we need to store here, right? So I am telling integer year. Now printf asking the user to enter an year. Scanf, I am storing this year in year. Now for example, see, I have given some 2016. Now it is checking if the year is divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100. Okay, then we need to print it is a leap year, or see, or year mod 100 equal to 0. Sorry, year mod 400 equal to 0. If the year is multiple of 400, then blindly we need to print it is a leap year, else it is not a leap year. The program is simple, very simple. See, first of all, we need to check whether the given year is divisible by 4 or not divisible, and it should not divisible by 100. See, not divisible by 100. If both conditions is true, then it is leap year. Otherwise, the year must be divisible by 400. If any of these conditions, this thing or this thing, any of the condition is true, then it is leap year, else not a leap year. Now I have copied the same program into GDB compiler. Now I will execute that program. Once you see that program, now see this GDB online program, online compiler. Now I copy pasted the same program whichever I wrote before. Now see, in the language, this is a C language, so I selected C language. Now I am running this program. It is compiling. See, it is asking enter an year because we have given here enter an year. Now I am telling 2016. 2016 is a leap year. See what it will print. I am entering the enter button. See, 2016 is a leap year. Now see another, we will go with another example. 2100. 2100 is not a leap year, because why? Because it is a multiple of 100, right? So that 2100 is not a leap year. Now again we will check with 400 multiple example. 2000 is divisible by 400, so that 2000 is a leap year. That's it. This is a program. You can execute the program. It's very simple. I hope I cleared this program. Thank you for watching.